Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. So I hope everyone in a very good condition right now. So we are going to continue with the subtopic 6.2, which is mitosis. As we discussed before, mitosis is involved in the nucleus division in the parents, the nucleus divisions of the parent, and to form or to produce two nuclei or two daughter cells. So the daughter cells will have the same number chromosome as the parents and also have the same genetic content, same goes to the parents. So the phases that involve in the mitosis got four there. Interphase, which is the early stage of the cell division that we have discussed in the cell cycle. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase is the process or the phases that involve in the mitosis. And last one, it will be followed by the cytokinesis process, which is the cell divisions in the cytoplasmic form. Okay, so as a tips for this one, to remember the phases, you can use the please make another two cell, which is P, M, A, T, and C. P for prophase, metaphase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, T for telophase, and C for cytokinesis. Okay, now we continue and discuss about what happened during the prophase. What happened to the chromosome? What happened there? Okay, regarding to the diagram here, you can see the structure of chromosome is a form of chromatin, and the chromatin will be start to shorten and thicken to form the chromosome structure. And during this time, the structure of chromosome can be seen through the light microscope. So the next one is you can see that the sister chromatid will form here and join at the centromere. The centromere is here, the middle parts of the chromosome there. Alright. So the nucleus membrane will start to disintegrate. The structure of the dotted line here, this is the nucleus membrane. Ya, dia mula hilang. And then the centrioles, dia mesti ada sepasang centrioles. So kenapa sepasang? Because the centrioles will move towards the opposite poles. And the spindle fiber also will be formed. The functions of centrioles is to produce the spindle fiber. Okay, now we continue to the metaphase. What happened during to the metaphase? To memorize this, metaphase, M for middle, which is the chromosome will align at the middle. Alright, so the chromosome will align in the single row on the equatorial plane. This time, the chromosome start to align here, and the nuclear membrane start to disintegrate. Dia mula menghilang, disintegrate, the dotted purple line here, and the centrioles at the opposite poles. You can see here the centriole is located at the opposite poles, and the spindle fiber maintain the chromosome at the equatorial plane, which is the spindle fiber dia akan connected dengan the centriole dan juga centromere. So metaphase end when the centromere start to divide. Okay, next after metaphase, it will goes to anaphase. Anaphase, which is the phases when the chromosomes start to divided. Alright, the centromere divides into two. You see now. The structure of the centromere will be split into two, which is attached to the spindle fiber there. The sister chromatid separated, then attracted to the opposite poles. You can see here, the line here is the spindle fiber. The spindle fiber shorten and contract, so it will pull the chromatid into the opposite poles. Anaphase end when the chromatid, now the structure of chromosome we call chromatid, arrive at the poles. Next, we are going to discuss about telophase, which is the last phases in the mitosis. Okay, the chromosome, what happened to the chromosome? At poles, the chromatid known as the daughter chromosome. Okay, so this time chromosome kita panggil sebagai total chromosome. Kita tak sebut dia sebagai chromatin lah ya. Kemudian complete and identical chromosome at the poles. The shape as fine chromatin thread. Okay, ini adalah at the ends of the telophase. Dia sebab bila habis telophase, dia akan masuk balik kepada interphase, iaitu sel cycle yang baru. So dia mula balik menjadi bentuk fine chromatin there. Nuclei start to form again. Spindle fibers starts to disappear. Mula hilang dah. Nucleus membranes also form, and it will be followed by the cytokinesis. So you can see that here are the daughter chromosome. Okay, you can see the number of chromosomes still 4 as the parent tadi kan. But then only the beza dekat sini adalah the structure of the chromosome. Bentuk dia bentuk dalam bentuk chromatic macam ni. Dia bukannya wujud dalam bentuk 4 arm yang ada tu. Alright, so at the end of the process, 2 daughter cell will produce, which is akan berlaku dekat bahagian tengah ini, cleavage furrow. Cytoplasmic division akan berlaku, which is the cytokinesis. Okay, so thank you for watching. So I hope you can understand the process of mitosis. So you only have to memorize the 4 phases that involve here: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And this mitosis will continue with the cytokinesis. So I hope to see you in the next video, 6.2, differences cytokinesis in animal cell and plant cell. So thank you very much.